After you've created a three-dimensional model, you can modify it using many different tools. So most of them will be in the modify panel here. So this is anything you can do on one of your models to modify how it's looking. So some of them we will not look at now. We will just look at two of them, fillet and chamfer. So they are almost the same. They are to create corners, sort of, and make them sharp or round. So if I click on fillet, you have to select an edge or many edges. So if we look at this cylinder, I can select this edge or this edge. So just by left clicking on one of them, I will get an arrow and this box here. So if I click and drag this arrow, you will see I get a rounded corner. I can also type in a number and you will get this nice shape. If I go up and click on chamfer, it's exactly the same way. I just click an edge and then I drag. So both of them are very, very simple, but there's one thing I want to point out. Or before I do that, I will show you that you can choose many edges if you want. You can click here and then here and then here, as many as you want. If you misclick on one, if you don't want this anymore, you just click it again and it will disappear. So you see the edges that are highlighted will be chamfered. So for example like this, I can use fillet here. And if I don't want it, I will just click escape. Or if I want it, I click enter. So now I'm clicking escape because I will show you one important thing. If I go and select chamfer and I select this edge, these four edges here, and then I will try to chamfer it, and you see that you will get you might get this error. Operation failed, incorrect input value, try using a different value. So usually if you have a sharp corner like this, at least for fillet, sometimes chamfer will be easier than fillet, but if you have a very sharp corner, you might have trouble to make a fillet or chamfer. So you will get this error message and you will just have to reduce your amount. So in some models you will see that it will be much easier to type in a number. You might start with a very small one and then increase until you get the error message. You will see that in the tutorials later, but you can see how on this shape, sorry, yeah, there. If you click on this, you will not get the same problem as here. You can make it very big until it's almost gone. So just remember that in case you don't understand why you get this red message.